random video about dead birds.
Yeah, this bird is dead, and this drawing is perfect.
And, wait. Strawberry.
Epic strawberry of death.
Yep.
And of life, maybe.
And I'm the burper girl.
Yeah, that's the burper girl. She's not very sexy at the moment. First, she up the stairs. Filming. I win!
Nope, I'm an old man. Oh my god, did I really just say that?
No. Ew.
Hi, Olivia.
Hi!
Hi, Kiki.
Hi! Still don't know who they are. Hi, Olivia! I don't know her.
Let's stalk them.
Why are you whispering on cam? I hear someone.
That is...
I don't know.
I think it's Leo.
I film everyone that walks by.
Let's do that again. Like, what's your favorite?
What's your favorite script?